To record a screen in your Google Pixel 10 Pro, first of all we'll need to swipe down from the top right corner of our screen like this. Then we can scroll down again. Here, browse through your instant actions buttons and look for a screen recorder. For me, it's right here. If you cannot find it, click on this pen button and look for the screen recorder below. It should be right here in the display options and add it to your list. Now finally, when we found it, all you have to do is click on it and then adjust your settings like record audio or not. You can also go for the device audio microphone and device and audio mic and your microphone. So you can also record one app or this specific screen. Then when you're ready, click on next and to choose the app to record in this case. And finally, our recording should begin after this countdown. Now we're screen recording, and to stop it you need to swipe down and click on a stop. When you're finally done, your recording should be saved in your gallery. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.